What's up, back babes? Happy Tuesday. It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. In this video, I'm doing one of your favorites. It's a haul. I got a haul recently, all of the spring summer collection. So if you are curious, a sneak peek of what it is, stay tuned in the video. As always, give these videos a big like. Go ahead and comment something down below. Once this video reaches 100, I'm going to do a big giveaway. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Consider yourself a bag babe. I put all the links and descriptions down below to save you some time. So without further ado, let's go see what the heck's in this haul. Let's go ahead and start with the big one. So this was a major hostess for last month. So if you've been watching, thank you all for reaching out, helping me keep my presidential seat for this upcoming season. If you want to know more by shopping the sale that we're having about right now, sale stuff is right above. I'm going to link it up above so that you guys can get to it. Always, this channel is nothing without y'all. So, but let's just get to the goods, right? So first and foremost, last month's hostess exclusive big boy deluxe utility tote was only for $10, okay? When you reach a $500 plus party. This month is the pick up and go bundle with the mat. I will go ahead and link a video up above for that specific product, but this guy is a keeper. I love this print. It is, I'm gonna link it down below. I can't memorize all the prints, and of course I took it out of the plastic bag, so I don't know it, but you guys know when I personalize it, it's a keeper. So this is that new personalization for the season where you pick a letter and you get to pick two colors. You all know I'm a big bright color. I love the pop of color. So this is the hot pink with the coral or the peachy color. So boom, isn't that super adorbs right there? Okay, so that's the first thing that came out. Then I got myself some fawns, cubes and rectangles, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them shortly. If you guys bag babes have been watching, I recently moved and these guys will come in handy for organization. So actually, let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do with these cubes. So I got it in the fawn. This is the storage cube. Has the straps to it if you never noticed. The storage cubes, I'm going to show you again with it, do come with a lid so that you can stack them. And let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to do with it. Let's go, let's take a look. Come on. So I'm blessed that this house comes with a walk-in closet. I already have my cubes stacked up here. It does have the shelving unit, which already came with the home. But as you can see, I have two already packed here. Here I put all my pants, like my jeans. We're going into the hot weather, so all my jeans are going in there. I probably won't use those. And in this one, these are my bottoms. So I got my leggings, my linen pants, all of that's in there for the planning. Here, these are all my shorts, okay? So all my shorts are packing in here. And again, this is very rough, okay? But I'm a big jewelry fan, and so just to put stuff away. Okay, no peeking. I just stuffed all my jewelry stuff in there. But I'm planning to organize this. I have a couple cubes here. I got one going up there. Maybe I might add more shelving in here, but I also have this space above here, so I'm going to put all the cubes in there. So that's what that's for, okay? So peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. As you can tell, a lot of 31 in here. Now, also in here is a hostess exclusive. I got two of them. These are these cinched bags. I did play with them and I did use them for a weekend. It's a love-hate relationship with these, okay? The reason why I love them, one, is because they're moldable. So I was able to stick a ton of things in here, and then you just hold them and you cinch them tightly, okay? That's a good thing, but it also is a bad thing because it is so flexible and movable. It doesn't really have a shape unless you put some stuff in here. So again, I was able to pack a whole bunch of stuff in here, but you know, it was just a little bit floppy, no structure. Again, with the Hostess Insider, you will get two. You will get free personalization with it, and you can mix and match the prints as you can see. So I did put some like my catalogs in here. That's why it's weighing down. So let me take that out. But again, loose, super. You could actually, I did bring this to a pool party, so I did put the wet stuff in here. It's laminate insides on the outside as well. You do have a pouch pocket in the front. You can totally put Personalization right here. As you can see, that's where my catalog, I set my catalog right in front. It's super big. You can even put it this way as well. So huge, huge, huge on both ends. And then you have the cinchable on both ends too, right? So this was a Hostess exclusive, all right? What else did I get? I got a fanny pack. This is actually for my aunt. So here, we haven't seen this on this channel, but you could totally personalize it right here. You guys know I love the gray of green. My mom actually took my fanny pack or my sling. This is currently in a bundle that is at 50% off only for the month of May. Not in this color, but the other neutral color. So make sure you take that or take a look at that. And make sure you grab it sooner than later because it's only while supplies last or till the end of this month. All right, let's go ahead and move on. What I have here as well, I got myself a Ruby Mini with a matching wristlet. This is the basket weave Ruby Mini. I love the white. It's the pop of white, right? I find this funny because I actually got this for Mother's Day from 31 as a gift, okay? So now I have a spare one to give away or to gift. Again, it has that camel color, so the fawn like a light colored goes well with this, okay? So that is the Ruby Mini. Some of you guys, that is your guilty pleasure, which is okay because you can't have too many Ruby Minis. Then I have the fold over lunch bag. This is for my son next year. Yeah, he chose this. Again, this is our passion product for the season. Every purchase of this, 31 cents goes to the Girls on the Run. Also, you can round up at every end of your purchase. Make sure you round up, okay? I would love to see the bag babes. Let me represent the bag babes by being like top rounder upper of the month, right? Let's do that goal, right? We're all about passion and about goals on this. So here, great thermal handle, cinches open, personalization would go right here. And on the inside, you got that silver lining. Again, a medium to small. This does pack a lot, so he'll be using this for when he gets into second grade. All right, and then what else do I have in here? Oh, I got the bundle. If you don't know, these guys come in a bundle. So bundle of two, you do some saving. Bundle of 4, you do some saving along with the cubes, okay? The cubes, if you bundle up with 2, you save. Bundle up with 4, you save. Or you can use the spend 50, get any item at 50% off. Lastly, I got the this huge thing. This is for your truck. I got the truck organizer for my Bruce. I will make this a different video because it's like it's a 5-piece set. But I'm super excited about this thing. This is like a tray where you would sit 3 of the, I thought I personalized it, but I guess not. 3 of the essential storage totes in your bag along with the bungee, all right? So this is, I got it in charcoal black, looks amazing. It comes in 3 bags. So this is the 3 essential storage totes. I'm a huge fan of these. I might actually wear this as a purse, but they're the cargo organizer tote, right? You get 3 of them and they sit in this bin. And then lastly, you get the bungee. It looked like a bag. Look, see, it looked like a bag, but this guy, what? Yes, baby. Now I gotta remember how to fold it up. So I'm gonna be sticking this in my car. His name is Bruce. Go ahead and let me know. Like this video and name your car down below, all right? So I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm gonna make a separate video on here. And let's go ahead and dive into the second one. So this is a new one for the channel, the strawberries. I got a ton of pouches. Again, gifting ideas, giveaway ideas. I got a new guy right here too. This is my guilty pleasure. All right, so we saw this last time in my brother's video. Rainbow, again, great for teachers. And on this guy, we do have a whole bunch of other these reusable snack bags. This one I'm going to be giving for the teachers, putting them with snacks as a fun dog days of summer. Thank you so much for all you do and have a relaxing summer. Probably stick some treats in there, maybe some lip gloss. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. But that is the bundle for the most part, or the haul for the most part. If you don't know anything about these, sustainable, meaning it's made out of plastic bags, or it's reusable. Just wash them and reuse them. These guys are made out of, I think this is one of them that's made out of plastic. They used to be bottles, right? Plastic bottles. So 31 is all about sustainability and making sure that we are earth friendly. Again, some of the tips for you guys to go ahead and create this haul of yours is to shop my mystery hostess bundle or mystery hostess that is down the link below. When it gets to 500, I am going to announce the winner because, you know, spreading the love at 500, that's when everything doubles, right? Again, if you're reaching out to me, you want to help me keep my presidential seat, I would totally love that. Thank you for your love and support. Some of you guys have already reached out to me for that. So we're halfway there. Can you believe it? Just only halfway. And I know we'll get there in the next few days. And then lastly, just for the month of May, join all this for $1. You get me. I would be honored. You can unlock the discount, shop the bundles at a super steal, and I am happy to help and guide you to whatever your journey takes you. So I hope you enjoyed that haul. Remember, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you at Bag Babe TV Saturday. It's going to be the last Bag Babe TV for May, so I think I'm gonna have Buster might join us, and he'll be choosing the May giveaway for Rockstar for all the guys who shopped with me, okay? And that's at 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. East Coast time, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out these playlists that I got going for you, and bye y'all!